Hi guys! Here is how you can upload APK files to your WordPress website. So here is the APK file, and we want to upload it to our website, so let's first try to upload it. We are already logged into our WordPress dashboard. Go to Media and add new media file. Select Files. Even the APK file is not showing up, as you can see. Anyway, so let's try All Files and choose the APK file and open. So we are not allowed to upload APK files. So to enable APK upload, we will be using some custom codes. For that, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to function.php. Scroll down, and we will add some custom codes here. So here is a very simple code. Copy this code and paste it here. Update file. So the file has been updated. Now let's try to upload the APK files. And new media file. Select Files. And now we can see the APK files. Click on it and open. And here is the APK file. So you can copy this URL and share it to anyone. And it will download. However, please note, you need to be very careful about uploading APK files on your website. And we highly recommend deleting the code form the theme functions after uploading. Thank you very much.